Soyez le bienvenu! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po again with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Today's verb is se promener. Se promener, we're going to do the relaxing way. Okay, how to relax with se promener, because se promener means to take a walk, to walk for pleasure, or to relax. Okay? This verb is a simple and peaceful verb for daily life. So, yung mga naglalakad dyan, okay? So, promener. Okay, so tara na. Let's go. On y va. To discover the conjugation of the verb se promener au présent, because this is different is than verb pronomino. Verb pronomino au présent. Iba po siya. It's different. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. As I said a while ago, our verb is se promener. Kindly repeat. Se promener. Okay, yung okay? Because there's no accent, okay? So we pronounce it as se promener. Se promener means to take a walk, to walk with pleasure, or to relax with or without someone beside you or accompanying you. It's up to you, okay? What is the definition? Définition. Marcher pour le plaisir ou l'exercice. Ce verbe pronominal exprime l'idée de se déplacer à pied de manière détendue. Ano ibig sabihin nun? The definition is to walk for pleasure or exercise. This pronominal verb expresses the idea of moving on foot or by foot yan, to relax, and to walk naturally, okay? Not too fast, okay? And then, this verb it belongs to premier group. Pronominal po ito, no? Pronomino. Okay, pronominal yan. Because there is a different. Because in pronominal, le verb pronomino, pag isang one lang, singulier, pronominal. But when it's plural is pronomino. Lo AL, yung pronominal, alisin natin yung AL. For singulier, for plural, it will become pronomino. AUX. Okay? AUX na siya. We need to change AL. Okay? So, yan yung pronominal. And then, how to conjugate ang verb pronominal. Okay? So, may ano po siya. It's just the same with UR. But, we need to add me sa du, tu sa tu sa tu, su sa il, on, sa nous, dalawa siya, no? Il y a deux. And then sa vous, il y a vous. And then il, meron siya, at saka elle, we have su. Okay, how to do it? Okay. Je me promène. Je me promène. Je me promène. Okay? Ibig sabihin nun, so, je me promène, ako mismo naglalakad. Moi-même. Ako mismo, I walk. Okay? I walk. Next. Then, tu te promènes. Tu te promènes. It means you walk. Okay? On your own. Okay. Then, il se promène. As you will see, yung promener, meron na siyang action grave. Kasi babagsak mo doon, je me promène. Tu te promènes. Il se promène. O yung il yun, he yun. He walks. Elle se promène. She walks on her own. On se promène. Ibig sabihin, okay, we walk. And then, nous nous promenons. Nous nous promenons. Nous nous promenons. It means we walk. And then, vous vous promenez. Vous vous promenez. Okay? And then you walk. And then we have il, yung they. Il se promène. O-N-T. Il se promène. And elle se promène. Pabay niya siya, no? It's not so prominent, okay? Il se promène. Okay, what are the synonym? Synonym yan ay parehas din in English. Okay, flâner. Flâner means to stroll. Flâner. Stroll. Then déambuler. Déambuler is to wander. While you're walking, you are wandering. Marcher is to walk. Marcher is to walk because se promener is by walking. And then we have an example. Il se promène dans le parc chaque soir après le dîner. Il se promène dans le parc chaque soir après le dîner. What does it mean? They walk in the park every evening after dinner. For digestion yun. Okay? Kasi dito maganda ang naglalakad paggabi. When we walk after dinner because it's calm and it's cool. Okay? So again, so let's repeat. Je me promène. Tu te promènes. Il se promène. Elle se promène. On se promène. Nous nous promenons. Nous nous promenons. Vous vous promenez. Il se promène. Elle se promène. Okay, dan synonym natin, flâner, déambuler, et marcher. So, flâner means to stroll, déambuler means to wander, and to walk is marcher. Okay, I hope it's clear. Ulit-ulitin lang po yan. You need to repeat that one. Okay, je me promène. Ciao, ciao. Okay. But before going, please don't forget to like, subscribe, at comment po for more verb. Merci beaucoup. Ciao, ciao po.